Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and Spring Boot. Let's look at the development process. So the first step is to update the card details view template. So within the card details.component.html, we're going to add icons for increment, decrement, and remove books. We're going to make use of the Font Awesome library to add those icons. And the second step is to wire up the click events to all three icons. So within the card details.component.html, for the plus icon, we are going to call increment quantity method by passing in the cart item. And for the minus icon, we are going to call decrement quantity method by passing in the cart item. And for the delete icon, we are going to call remove method by passing in the cart item. And the third step is to update cart service class to handle decrease book quantity. So within the cart.service.ts file, we are going to define decrement quantity method by receiving the cart item, and this cart item contains the quantity, so we're going to decrement it by 1, and then we're going to call calculate total price method to update the cart status. And the fourth step is to update cart service class to handle remove book from cart. So within the cart.service.ts file, we are going to define remove method, and to this we are going to receive the cart item, and within the remove method we are going to access the cart items. And on this cart items, we are going to call find index method. This find index method loop through all the cart items, and each time the loop runs, the variable temp cart item gets initialized. And we're going to access the ID on this temp cart item, and then we're going to compare it with the cart item which is receiving in the remove method. If the ID matches, then we're going to return the index, and then we're going to check the index. If the index is greater than -1, then we are going to remove that item from the cart items. For that, we are going to call splice method on this cart items, and to this splice method we are going to pass two parameters. The first parameter is the index, and the second parameter is the number of items that we are going to remove. So we are going to remove only one item from the cart items, and we are going to pass the item index which contains the index. And then we're going to call calculate total price method to update the cart status. And the last step is to update cart details component to call service methods. So within the cart details.component.ts file, to the constructor we are going to inject the cart service, and then we are going to define increment quantity method, and to this we are going to pass the cart item. So within the increment quantity method, we are going to make use of the cart service to call the add to cart method which we have defined in our previous section. We don't need to create a separate method for handling the increment quantity. We are going to make use of the same old method which we have created in our earlier videos. And to this add to cart method, we are going to pass the cart item, and then we are going to define decrement quantity method, and to this we are going to pass the cart item. And within the decrement quantity method, we are going to make use of the cart service to call the decrement quantity method which we have explained just now, and to this we are going to pass the cart item. And finally, we are going to define remove method, and to this remove method we are going to pass the cart item. So within the remove method, we are going to make use of the cart service to call the remove method which we have explained just now, and to this remove method we are going to pass the cart item. That will take care of removing the book from the cart. Alright, we have 5 steps to complete this feature, and in the next video we're going to start developing this feature step by step. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.